Hello, thank you for taking a moment to watch this video. And on this particular training, I want to tell you about a minor update that we're going to be pushing out really soon. Now this update is in preparation for a larger update that's coming out in the very near future, but first we got to get this update out. And part of this update includes a change to how we label the phone number. So if you see here, Adam has 5 phone numbers and all of them are labeled home. However, if I go back to Zoho, you'll see those same 5 phone numbers have different labels within the Zoho UI. What we're doing is we're going to change how we manage labels of phone numbers when we create those contacts and create the dial session. But there's one problem, and the reason why I'm creating this video is when we do this update, we're not going to be deleting any phone numbers from your account. Meaning, phone numbers will now become duplicated because our system, it's a quirk of our system, when a new record is created through a dial session, if the phone numbers match but have different labels, we will actually create them as new unique phone numbers. So let me show you what that's going to look like. So here you can see I'm calling Adam again, but now I have a lot more phone numbers. I have the same 5 home phones plus 4 new phone numbers, 1 other phone other, home phone other, direct phone other, and mobile other. So we're going to be creating custom labels for these. Now there's an easy way for you to avoid duplicates or to clean up these duplicates. Because we're creating a copy of these contacts in PhoneBurner in order to make these dials, you can actually just delete the records from within your PhoneBurner account, and then moving forward, all contacts, all calls will just have the phone numbers with the custom labels. So to clean this up, all I need to do is go into my PhoneBurner account and clear all of the contacts out of there. And of course, if you need help doing this, our support team will be happy to help you as well if you have any concerns at all. And then from here, I'm going to do a quick search using the advanced search. And this is going to help me find all of the records in my account that have come over through the API. So in the management information section, I'm going to go to source, choose API, and then hit search. That's going to return a list of all of the records that were added to my account through the API. I'm going to go ahead and check this box up here. And then in the drop-down, I'm going to choose all in this advanced search. Once I've made that selection, I'm going to go ahead and click on Actions and Delete. Go ahead and confirm, and that'll delete all of the contacts. All right, so now that I've deleted all of those contacts, let me show you what the dial sessions will look like moving forward. So let's go ahead and jump out of this one and start a new dial session. And now that I've got my contacts in PhoneBurner all cleared out, all cleaned up, you'll see that the new record, Adam, only has the phone numbers with the custom labels. The primary phone number is always considered home when we create those records in PhoneBurner. But if you do have any concerns or questions, reach out to our support team. They can answer your questions, or if needed, schedule a call with me or somebody else on the onboarding team to help you understand how to best manage your data when you're dialing from Zoho. Anyway, thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and happy dialing.